Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am here with January favorites, and if you haven't subscribed, so do subscribe first and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, so January is over, like 2021 का एक महीना खत्म भी हो गया and it was so fast. Like I personally feel like time is really flying so fast. So I have few favorites, few habits, few food favorites and a lot of things to share with you guys in this video. So just hit like to this video and without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so the first product is this Caffeine coffee scrub, and yes, I just love this scrub like shit man. Ye body scrub, if you are a coffee lover, you will definitely love this. Just go and buy this. Trust me, close your eyes and just buy this. If you are a coffee lover, you will definitely love this, and it really helps to make your skin really amazing and superb. And I have shared a lot of things related this in my previous videos, so if you haven't watched that, just go and watch after watching this video. But trust me, I'm in love with this and I feel like smelling again and again. Damn, coffee, yaar, shit, this is really superb. Now next thing for skincare is this lip balm. Yes, when I got this, I got this from brand, and when I started using, I didn't like that much, but when I started using in this winter, and I can literally feel the difference. Not that great, but yes, it is something which I loved and I have been using daily. It makes my lips feel soft. So in case if you are interested, this is the product. It's strawberry lip balm from Seg, and I'll just put the link of this product in the description box in case you are interested. And yes, I have been using this daily, and yes, you can see how much, like ये छोटू सा डब्बा रहता है, but it lasts long. And yes, it might be expensive for many of you, but it really lasts long. Okay, next thing is this loofah. Yes, I have been using this since 2 months daily, like alternate days. One day I use this, one day I use that body scrub. It balances my skin, and yes, I have been using this lately since a long time, and I'm in love with this. I'm literally loving this. And if you guys don't know how to use this, I have a separate video related that. I'll put this also in the description box. Just go and have a watch. But this is amazing. If you don't have one, just buy it. Trust me, everyone must have this. Like everyone must use this, I feel. Okay, next product is this headphones. I have ordered this from Flipkart, and I have spoken about this many a times in my previous videos, and you must have seen pictures with this on my Instagram, like at beach and everywhere. I just take this along with me, and it is really amazing, and it has Bluetooth, and it was like the best part I like about this is that it was in budget, plus it is worth that price, and it is really amazing. I just love this. It even expands this way if your head is big, and it is amazing, working pretty well, does its job. But I'm obsessed with this. Like I don't know, this is my next life. Like I'm just loving this headphones. I use while editing, I use while doing time pass, I use to listen music, I use while I work out. In short, I use this whole day. Yes. And I am a kind of person who don't like those headphones which goes inside your ears. I don't know, I feel that tacky, so I like this kind of headphones. Now the next product is this PJs. Yes, track pant, PJs, pants, cotton pants, whatever you want, you can call it. And I have been wearing this every weekend or every time I'm at home and not working at office, like not going outside. When I'm at home, I just wear this. And I'm thinking to order one more, which was in blue color. I've ordered this from Myntra, and if you haven't watched that haul, you guys don't know that this is from Myntra, and I've been using this since 2 months, and it is pretty amazing. Like it is, first thing, it is comfortable. Second thing, I have been washing this continuously in a machine, and it is really amazing till now. And third thing, it is that the color is amazing. You can even go outside your home in case if you want, just wear a nice tee which matches this and you are ready to go outside as well. Now next thing is games, and yes, if you must be following me on Snapchat or Instagram, you guys must be knowing I have done a lot of night outs and a lot of things, and in that I found out a game known as Sequence. Yes, many of you must be knowing about this, but for the people who don't know, just try playing Sequence once, and it is really nice game. You'll have fun. It's a family type, friends type, you can play with anyone. It is really nice game and relief and relaxing, and nice game. Literally it's a nice game. I pretty loved it, so you can try that game as well. Next thing which I loved is this kada which I am wearing. I got a gift from my friend, like one of my friend gifted me this, and I've been wearing this daily. And yes, I wear this with my bracelet which I wear every day, so I'm just loving it. That's it. And I'm kind of person who don't like to keep my both the hands empty, so on one hand watch is fixed, that's final, and on my other hand I keep on changing. But from the day I have started wearing this kada, I haven't removed. And yes, if you are a person who don't like to keep your hands empty and don't have bracelets, and like bracelet ka kya, it gets attached at some of your outfit, it gets attached on your hair and kidhar na kidhar फंस जाता है. But this kada is really versatile. ये कड़ा किधर भी फंसता नहीं है, and it suits all your outfit, most of your outfits. You can go for golden one as well if you are a golden person, but मेरा watch silver था, so I like to keep it silver only. Now next let's come to the food. And food, ये महीने मैंने ना सबसे ज़्यादा पानी पूरी खाई है. You guys don't know, like every weekend मैंने घर पे पानी पूरी खाई है, and I just love पानी पूरी as always, but ये महीने मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा खाया है. And next is खिचड़ी. आई डोंट नो, आई गॉट ऑब्सेस्ड ओवर खिचड़ी. आजकल मुझे ना ये सादा सादा फूड, ऐसा नहीं है सादा ही पसंद है, बट पानी पूरी तो बहुत खाया, ऊपर से खिचड़ी भी खाया है. सो इट्स रियली समथिंग डिफरेंट. एक्चुअली आई फील कि ठंडी है, इट्स लाइक विंटर सीजन, सो आई फील लाइक आई गेट क्रेविंग्स of having khichdi, like uska smell and all those things are amazing. If you like khichdi, do let me know in the comment section. I know something really weird, but yes, that's true. And next thing for workout, this month I have tried skipping, and skipping really works. सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट स्किपिंग इज दैट वो 10 मिनट्स में बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी कंज्यूम कर देता है. For example, if you are doing 200 skippings or 100 skippings, your whole body workout is done within 5 minutes. And वही वर्कआउट करने में हम लोग को हाफ एन आवर लगता है उतना एनर्जी डालने में, बट स्किपिंग आर रियली अमेजिंग. सो इट्स जस्ट अ टिप. इफ यू गाइज आर इन हरी एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू वर्क आउट सिंस मेनी डेज, जस्ट डू skipping your 100 skippings. It's done in 5 minutes. It's consume less time, it consumes more energy, and it helps you to be active and for your weight loss as well. Next workout I have tried this month is arms workout. I have done a separate video of this as well. You can just check it out. Yes, I have lost like 1 centimeter of arms, but I am still working hard over that. Now let's talk about the habits which I have took, like habits, or I have something which I have learned. Yes, to keep 2 car keys with me while I go office. You know what happened, like many a times it happened with me that I forget my car keys inside my car and I'm left with no keys and I'm just stuck over there. So what I do is I keep 1 car keys inside my purse always, and second with me while I leave my home. So it's like in case it happens that I forget car keys inside my car, I have another keys in my purse, so I can use that. Yes, if you are like me who forget stuffs, so just keep the extra keys with you. It's really important, or else you'll get stuck like me one day, definitely. Next habit is that, yes, this is really important. I have been really loving this habit. I have been consistent everywhere, like everywhere. I have been consistent on YouTube, I have been consistent on Instagram, IGTV, Reels, Pinterest, and even writing blogs. So I did a lot of things in January, that's what I feel, and being consistent is really important. So I am feeling really good and planning to be consistent throughout the year. Hope for the best. And yes, that was all for today. I hope you love my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yes, I upload my videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so you'll get something new to see every week. Bye bye.